A good day, everyone. In this chapter, we will look at the governing law of our course, the NSTP law. This is the legal basis for our program as well as our activities. For the full information on the law, you can refer to the NSTP module. Now let us take a look at the NSTP law. The National Service Training Program, or NSTP, was instituted by the government by virtue of Republic Act 9163, otherwise known as the National Service Training Program Act of 2001. The said law came from several legal precedents, namely the Presidential Decree Number 1706, also known as the National Service Law, and Republic Act 7077, or the Citizen Armed Forces of the Philippines Reservist Act. The NSTP law was enacted on January 2002. The law focuses on the youth's role to nation development. It centers on youth training towards being efficient citizens by creating a culture of civic consciousness and defense preparedness. Youth development gives emphasis on service, nationalism, and patriotism. There are three NSTP components. The first one is the Reserve Officers Training Corps, or ROTC. This is the oldest NSTP component, which was institutionalized under Republic Act 7077. The component aims to provide military training to motivate, train, organize, and mobilize the students for national defense preparedness. The second component is the Civic Welfare Training Service, or CWTS. The program focuses on the general welfare and the betterment of life for the members of the community or improvement in their facilities. The nature of their activities includes health, environment, livelihood, safety, recreation, and other social welfare services. The last component is the Literacy Training Service, or LTS. The program centers on promoting literacy and numeracy skills to the community, especially to the school children, out-of-school youths, and adults who weren't able to finish their education. The program believes that quality education is an essential factor in improving the development of the society. Who is covered by the NSTP law? For students, the law states that it includes all freshman students starting from the school year 2002 to 2003. Students enrolled in any baccalaureate, two-year technical vocational courses, or associate courses are required to finish one NSTP component of their choice as a graduation prerequisite. As for the educational institutions, all higher and technical vocational education schools must offer at least one NSTP component. State universities and colleges will offer ROTC and at least one other NSTP component. The Philippine Military Academy, Philippine Merchant Marine Academy, Philippine National Police Academy, and other state universities and colleges with similar nature are exempted from NSTP. This is due to the special character and training of these institutions. With regard to the ROTC, any educational institution with at least 350 student cadets may offer the program and establish or maintain a Department of Military Science and Tactics, or DMST, subject to the rules and regulation of the Armed Forces of the Philippines.
For the duration and equivalent course unit, each of the NSTP components shall be undertaken for an academic period of 2 semesters, for 54 to 90 training hours per semester. It shall be credited for 3 units per semester. In the case of the university, the NSTP course is taken for one academic year with 3 terms. Each of the courses is credited for 2 units. Students will undergo 12 sessions per term. with 3.75 hours or 3 hours and 45 minutes of training per session.
Upon graduation to the NSTP course, students will be part of the Reserve Corps. For ROTC graduates, they will be part of the Citizen Armed Forces of the AFP, while for the CWTS and LTS graduates, they will be part of the National Service Reserve Corps or NSRC. Students under this Reserve Corps will be tapped in case there is a need for literacy and civic welfare activities. For example, if there has been a disaster, ROTC graduates can be utilized to join search and rescue missions, while CWTS and LTS graduates can perform the relief and rehabilitation efforts. For your activity, refer to the link given. Having completed the lesson, you may now take lesson assessment, which includes quiz via Blackboard equivalent to 5 points, and essay to be submitted to assignment portion of Blackboard equivalent to 1 point. Perfect score for the lesson assessment is 6 points. This is the NHTP law, the basic foundation of our course. In the coming chapters, you'll discover the foundation on which our initiatives and actions are from. Continue reading the NSTP module and understanding the different topics to build the concept of your citizenship training. Thank you for viewing this lecture.